Hello from Germany to everyone watching now, and welcome to my trip this nice Sunday afternoon. Today we are close to Dresden in the state of Saxony in Germany, and this is our route for this trip. We will test if this road is really as fun as they say. We will put Google travel time prediction to the test at 5 checkpoints and much more. We'll be using my Subaru WRX STI, built in 2007. It's now boosted to 400 horsepower and equipped with a new powerful Aris exhaust system. This is adding a really solid dose of sound and fun. So now the timer is running as we head for the first checkpoint, 4.4 kilometers away, with a Google predicted time of 5 minutes. The road is almost empty, no traffic except for a few motorbikes, likely here for the same thrill. The road is smooth and enjoyable with a 100 kilometers per hour speed limit. So this is perfect for curvy roads. We just passed the first checkpoint and are on to the next. Instead of 5 minutes, we are at 4:50 thanks to that minimal traffic. The road is still smooth with a 100 kilometers per hour speed limit, and a little bit more curvy now. More fun than that earlier stretch. So we just passed the second checkpoint, predicted for 18 minutes by Google Maps. According to our timer, we needed 17 minutes and 10 seconds. That makes 1 minute, almost 1 minute ahead. The road has been fixed up quite a bit, so you see that visible patches around there. This adds a little bit of bumpiness. However, the speed limit is still 100 kilometers per hour. But that very straight shape of that road and much more traffic, it's not that enjoyable as the past stretches. So now we passed the third checkpoint, which Google estimated at 31 minutes. Despite that more traffic, everyone is keeping a little bit above that 100 kilometer speed limit. At this stretch we were on schedule with a 30-minute time, so we didn't make any time ahead of Google. It seems Google has factored this straight road and that steady traffic speed into their calculations. So now fourth checkpoint is down with its predicted time of 35 minutes. Now let's go on to the last stretch, to the fifth checkpoint. Our timer reads 34 minutes, so our only lead remains that single minute we we saved early in the first stretches. So fine, we've reached our final destination, predicted to take 44 minutes. Our time is 42 minutes. We are just 2 minutes ahead of Google. Despite pushing it really hard, we didn't gain much, so I'd call it a close match. I'm very interested in what you did like in this video and what you did not like, so please give me a comment, and thanks for watching. See you next time.